Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. I have a surprise for Maynard. He's actually currently working. He's in a meeting, but it just got delivered, so let's bring it up. And it's really heavy, so good luck to me. It's really heavy. Where should I set up the camera? Yeah. I'm out of breath. Okay, here's good. Ooh, he's gonna be so excited because he's been talking about this and wanting this for years. So I finally got it, surprising him today, and we'll see how he reacts. Woohoo! Yay! Hopefully he gets out of his meeting soon. Close your eyes.
Where's my cookies? Thank God, what are you doing?
Sit down.
Where?
Right here, just on the ground.
Why? What did you do?
Oh!
Ow! It's numb! Ow! It's numb, it's numb, it's numb. Ow! What is it?
Open.
What is this?
Surprise.
A spare tire?
Yes.
I know what it is.
What?
It's a beanbag chair.
You think a beanbag chair is gonna fit in here?
What is this? Oh, you got that on camera? It's a dog. Ah, my knee.
Which knee?
This knee. What is this? What is this?
Open it!
Wait, this looks like a computer.
Mm-hmm. Open
This
it!
is, what the fuck? When did you get this? What is this? That's heavy. Oh, no. What is this? Why is it so heavy?
Rocks.
How am I supposed to open this? I don't want to break it.
Put it on the side and then what else?
Wait, this is... Wait.
It's fish.
This is so hard. Wait a minute. Oh, it's a keyboard. Wait.
Or is it?
Wait, you got me a gaming PC? Yo. No way. Wait, what? I thought... How'd you know?
Just guess.
Wait, did Wenz help you? Is that why he told me he wasn't available anymore?
best gaming PC.
Yo, what the f? Shit is huge. Oh my god. Oh, it's this way. No way! Wait, why?
Merry Christmas!
Is he stuck?
Clay. Oh, he sat in it.
He's the gift. Wait, no way! Why? It's so expensive.
What did you do? Is that your new home? Do you like it?
I love it. I don't even know what to do. I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You wanted it, right?
Yeah, but that's okay.
Shoutout Wenz!
Shoutout Wenz, illusionist. Wait, really? Wenz help you?
Follow him on Twitch.
Oh, that's why you said it wasn't available.
Successful surprise.
Wait. Is that you? Yeah. How? Why? Wait, I have to set this upstairs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you... Wait.
Deenie. 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 Go, 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 go. Oh, go, 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 go.
What do I do?
Did you see me go get the package?
I was gonna go down. Did you open the door?
Yeah, I was like, no, 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 no. What's up? Thing's huge.
Yeah.
Clay, for reference.
Oh, okay. So everything's pretty much where it needs to be?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, sweet. Okay. These things?
Yeah. It should be in your and then at the back.
Oh, yeah. This one you sent me is a good one? Okay. If you want to play games, you can play now too.
Sims?
Sims?
Just kidding.
If you want to.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Please excuse my appearance. I've been working all day. So I'm super excited to share with you guys. I know if any of you guys watched my 2021 goals, I mentioned that I would love to work with a brand this year, and I have my first partnership. It's not a campaign, but it is just something that they sent me as a gift to kind of see if we like it. And the awesome thing about the brand that reached out to me is that we actually already own, we bought and already own one of their products, which is the Flexi Spot standing desk. So let me show you. I can't show Maynard's work right now, but as you can see, it's in the standing position right now. And so we actually already own one of their desks and we love it. So what I picked out is actually a gaming desk. So it's a little bit longer, it has some cool gaming features, and so I got this so Maynard could game on it. So we're gonna test it out and see. It's adjustable and has some really cool features for a gaming desk. So I've been wanting to get rid of this desk in general. I want to get a new vanity, but I do also want to keep, why are you sitting like that?
Because I don't want to stand right now.
I also want to keep the standing desk since we are both working from home. So I'm gonna give this desk to my sister because she needs a desk right now. and I'm just gonna use the standing desk as my vanity for now, and then probably get one later on. So I'm in the process of clearing this so we can switch desks. Are you excited about this? Hello, sir. We've brought you in here today to talk about how you need to start paying rent. All you do is sleep all day. We cook you food. You eat. Go back to sleep. What do you think about that? It's coming together. And then we're gonna move that desk over here. I totally just threw everything in the bathroom. Ta-da! So some cool features about the desk. It has a cup holder so you don't put any drinks near the electronics. You can actually adjust the table if you want it a little bit lower or if you want it higher, but it's not automatic, so you do have to, like, what is it, screwdrive it, unscrewdrive it, what is it called? I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but it's not automatic. You have to use a screwdriver to like take out the bolts and then adjust the desk and then put it back to the height. It also has a headphone holder, which is pretty cool. And then this mat, to be honest, I think he's just gonna take it off because he doesn't like, I mean, the red is a little bit much. So the cool thing about that is you can actually take this off, but if you do want to use it, this whole thing is like a mouse pad, so you don't have to worry about, like, I don't know, I'm not a gamer, but you don't have to worry about staying on the mouse pad. Ooh, he a gamer.